cute little elephant. First, draw the elephant's round head. Wow! Now add a mouth. And a pair of giant ears. One ear. And then the other. Now give the elephant a long trunk. Amazing! Follow the big oval. This will be your elephant's body. Add a pair of strong legs to the oval. Then add another pair of legs. Beautiful! All you have to do now is give the elephant a funny tail with a little tuft of hair at the end. Fantastic! Good job! You've drawn a wonderful elephant. He can dance so well.